Hey friends, if you encounter the 502 bad gateway error on your computer, then please watch this video. So if you check online, you will encounter countless options, and you know what? Even I suggest changing the browser if that helps. If that helps, reset the first browser. But in 99% cases, that's not the case. Now, let's say, assume that you're getting this error with Roblox. So, search for Roblox server status or whatever app it is, search for its server status. Now, go to Down Detector or you can go to its official website to check its server status. In most probability, it would either be down or a few people would be reporting problems. Okay, that's why I prefer down detector, but because it shows the accurate results. The status would show that it's running smoothly here, but people are facing problems. So you will notice that the server will go down in a while. In that case, you will have to wait and keep a tab on the server status. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice